Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you another amazing Python plugin. And this one is called Import Paragraphs. And this is a fun plugin because it will make some things in Eclipse much easier, such as sharing your index with people. Let me show you how this works. The Import Paragraphs plugin is available in the plugin store. So I'm going to need to go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store. I'm going to alphabetize this list and look for Import Paragraphs. So it says that this one is going to be run as a utility. It's not going to add any macros or commands, so I don't need to enable it. I'll download it. And now if I go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, Import Paragraphs is in the list, and it says to run this plugin as a utility, and it will give me the option to selectively import paragraph formats from another user INI file into the one I have open right now. So right now, if I go to my settings, the user that I'm in is called Ashley Margins. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of my margins for my important paragraphs. For my right margin, I'm going to change all of these to 5. And that's obviously wrong and ugly and would have people hollering down your door if you did. So now all of my important paragraphs from fixed to parenthetical are all set to a right margin of 5. But don't forget that this is going to work on any paragraph type. So you'll be able to import someone's index paragraphs using the same set of steps. But I'm focusing on these common ones just for this example. So what I'm going to do now is go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins. I'm going to find Import Paragraphs, and I'm going to hit the Run button. This opens up a File Browse menu, and I can go to any location on my computer where an INI file might exist. In this case, I'm going to go to Main, where all of my existing INI files are, and I'm going to choose Ashley instead of Ashley Margins. Ashley has my correct margins. So I'm going to press OK, and it asks me which paragraph types I want to import. And so this is where you could choose, I just want to import the index paragraphs that I don't have. But in this case, I'm going to import fixed, question, answer, speaker, question paragraph, answer paragraph, speaker paragraph. But I'm not going to import parenthetical, because I'll show you that it's going to fix all of these, but it'll leave parentheticals right margin at 5. So I'll press OK, and now I can go to User Settings, Paragraphs, and you see that fixed, question, answer, speaker, question, answer, speaker, paragraph are all back to 52, but if I go to parenthetical, it's still on 5. And so this import paragraphs command is going to be very handy for anyone who wants to share little bits of their document format with each other. If you're an indexing guru, this is going to be your best friend. But if you just want to make sure that the new Eclipse user in your office is set up correctly, you can also use this system to make sure that only the things they need are what's modified. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support is available for any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.